Hello guys! Today I want to show you the Persian love cake from the Sweet book, and it's on page 74. Doesn't it look pretty? Let's get baking. Alright, so we're going to take our first step of ingredients. We're going to put it into the food processor, process it to a slight crumb. And then we divide it into two different parts. Now we're going to take a smaller amount of crumbs and we're just going to divide it into our 12 little silicone molds, and after that we're going to push it down with our thumb. After we push down our base, we're going to take our bigger amount of crumb and we're just going to add all the rest of the ingredients. Mix it into a nice little paste, fill it into our piping bag, or if you want to use a spoon, you can also spoon it on, and then we just pipe it or spoon it onto the base. Perfectly smooth and ready for the oven. We have to give them a lot of time to cool down, otherwise they are very crumbly when they are still warm. So always let them to cool down. Now we're going to the decorate part. We're going to put some icing sugar on top. Very nice pattern. Then we're going to put a mascarpone cannelle. I'm quite sure a lot of you will look forward to know how we do that. Some pistachios on it. And also some pomegranate. So at the very last step, we're going to put our beautifully red pomegranate seeds on top of the mascarpone cannelle. Oh, and just give them a beautiful finish. Everybody's going to be impressed with you if you deliver such a nice cake. Alright, so this is it, our baking result, the Persian love cake. I hope you enjoyed the video and come back for the next one. Thank you.